Alright guys, so here's how you send gifts in Monopoly Go. So basically all you want to do is go to your album right next to friends, and as you can see right here you have all of your, or the completions of all of your albums. So basically we want to select whichever one we want to send a sticker from, and as you can see right here it will say +1. That means that we have duplicates of this sticker. So if we click on it, we can send it to a friend. If we click on one that we don't have duplicates of, we can't send it to a friend. So all you have to do is click on the sticker that you want to send as a gift, and then you select this option, send to friend, and you will go through all of your friends right here, and you select the one that you want to send it for, or as a gift. If you want to search for a friend ID, here's where you type as well, and it makes it even easier. So that's how you send gifts to your friends in Monopoly Go. Hope this helped. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.